Hi, this is Jeffrey Kerr, Kerr Financial Group. Today's Friday, March 15, 2024, the Ides of March. Julius Caesar was murdered today. It was like 44 BC, I think. Again, if you're Julius or named Julius, maybe stay inside today. Also, a couple of interesting things, I think, amongst the financial history is around the Ides of March, there have been some significant negative events that have happened in the financial markets. Number one, the Nasdaq peaked on March 10, 2000, and then there's the popping of the dot-com bubble, and it took 15 years for the Nasdaq to recover the losses after that peak in March of 2000. Also, in March of 2020, March 9 was the all-time low yield, like around 40 basis points for the 10-year Treasury bond, U.S. Treasury. And since then, we've been going up with the Fed rate hikes, but the yield is now well over 4% on the 10-year. But again, in March of 2020 saw that low, and then last March we had bank failures. We'll see if we have any more negative historical events coming around this time. But I think an important thing I saw this morning, the Bloomberg headline was the Fed seen sticking with three 2024 cuts despite higher inflation. So, that headline is not, that's been directed. I believe that they've been told to put that out there that, expect at the current conditions, expect three rate cuts later this year. They didn't go into the timing of them, but that was, the headline. And again, I don't think that headline's just by accident. So, the Fed meets next week. We'll see what happens. I think there's significant risk that inflation flares up a little bit here. By many forecasts and the way that the models are built, it looks like inflation's will stick around. So maybe the markets don't get all three of these cuts. I mean, the Fed's sending that message now, but obviously it could change it later this year. And certainly there's some risk to the financial assets if they price in three cuts and then don't get them. So. If you're celebrating St. Patrick's Day on Sunday, enjoy, and we'll be back on Monday. Thank you for listening. Have a good weekend. Goodbye.